Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
So we're gonna go to the grocery store and get a couple of groceries. It looks like it's gonna rain. I hope not. Last time I got caught in the rain, that was not fun. Just want to show you. My voice has not woken up yet, but guys, I just want to show you a little view. I don't know, I think that's kind of pretty, especially when the sun is out, but today is not. But yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, I just came back from the grocery store and pretty much everything came out to like 120 at Stop and Shop and $80 at Walmart. So altogether was about $200. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got for $200. Prices is giving ghetto groceries in 2023. That's it. Y'all, guess what? I just went downstairs and I got some mail. I was not expecting this today, but here it is. My new Sony camera is here. And you know what that means. Content, content, content. Y'all, I was tired of my iPhone telling me I'm out of storage every time I'm trying to record a video. So, I had to get this. I had to cop it. Alright guys, so we back in the next clip. Right now I'm making dinner. I am making pork ribs and gravy. Y'all, I do not like cooking like that. Hence the dirty dishes. Don't mind those. I'm gonna get to them. I don't like cooking, but a girl gotta do what she gotta do. Also, I have a potato in the oven because I think that's pretty much what I'm going to eat. I think my boyfriend's gonna eat the ribs and rice. I'm trying to lose weight, guys. I'm trying to lose weight, so I think I'm just gonna eat a potato, a sweet potato, for tonight. And yeah, that's it. If you guys have any tips on what to eat for weight loss, holla at your girl. Because I'm tired. Like, ever since I gave birth, and like my final weight when I was 9 months was pretty much 210, I believe. And since then, it's actually been so hard for me to get the weight to go away. So I've been working from home. So my body hasn't been moving or active. So I do need to get active and change my diet. I need somebody to stay on me. So anybody in the comments, follow me on Instagram and tell me, how you've been eating healthy. Like, get on me. Somebody gotta get on me. September. I'm just now starting to be consistent with certain things, like my content. And I'm so excited. Oh my God, I finally have the camera. Right now, I'm like actually waiting for my SD card to come in the mail. So I can't test it out to see how I'm gonna like things with this until I get that. Where did I? No, it's dirty. These damn dishes. I mean, these darn dishes. 9:30, I usually give my daughter a bath. So I'm gonna do that. And then, yeah, be done for the day. So guys, this is my dinner for tonight. I actually thought about, oh, I have kale in the fridge. So I cut up some kale, like I, ripped them up in pieces for me to eat them. And I'm just gonna drizzle some ranch on them. Might put some carrots, might not. And that's my potato. And that's my dinner for tonight. Now here is dinner for my boyfriend. He can eat the pork. I might have, one at the side. One ain't gonna hurt nobody, right? Yes. And rice and beans getting cooked over there. So guys, I'm pretty much gonna end the vlog here. Let me know if you like this vlog. It's just a regular day in my life. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Araresoul. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok because I be in there a lot too. So, and that is going to be listed down below and on my screen right here. Okay? And that's all. See you on the next one.